Alex Aguirre here with the Aguirre Law Firm. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what to do if you ever find yourself involved in a crash with an 18-wheeler. It's very important to understand that time is of the essence. Now, I'm not going to talk about the most important thing is get to the doctor, get to the hospital, make sure your injuries are attended to. That goes without saying. I'm here to talk to you about why you may want to consider hiring an attorney right away. First, there is evidence to be preserved that can document exactly what led to the crash and circumstances that may have led to the crash. Number one, 18-wheelers nowadays may have dash cam footage of the crash. And it's important to put the insurance company and the company that owned and operated the 18-wheeler on notice right away of your crash and your claim, because it puts the burden on them to preserve that dash cam video. Secondly, insurance companies will hire accident reconstruction investigators to go out to the scene right away, because even when it's obvious that their driver caused the crash, they're going to look for ways to mitigate their responsibility. And a way to do that is hire an accident reconstructionist to go out to the scene and look at all of the evidence in a light most favorable to their driver. And again, this is in their attempts to mitigate their responsibility in causing this crash. Another reason why it's very important to act quickly is to preserve the black box data of the 18-wheeler. 18-wheelers on the road have the ability to capture and record things such as how fast the 18-wheeler was traveling at the time of the crash. It can also show whether or not brakes were applied. And in order to access this black box data, it's very important to act quickly, because an attorney will consult with the correct experts necessary to immediately go into action, put the 18-wheeler company and their insurance company on notice so that an inspection of the truck can be done and the black box data preserved. These are just a few things to consider if you or a family member find themselves involved in a crash with an 18-wheeler. The most important thing to remember is time is of the essence, because rest assured, the 18-wheeler company and their insurance company, no matter how obviously their driver caused the crash, they will look to ways to mitigate their responsibility. I'm Alex Aguirre, and if you found this video helpful, I encourage you to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.